Welcome to Gavin Season 2, Episode 11, Tipsy Goods Train. Thomas was having his journey in America. But he was going too fast around the bend. Oh my goodness! Oh, wow! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Where does this lead to? Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Said the cars. Oh, said the signalman. The trucks got in the same spot, but not too many of them. Some of them were just on their side, staying there. Like Mr. Troublesome, Mr. Happy, Mr. Giddy, and Mr. Crazy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment and request. Bye.